this is Leo Page at MarineMax in beautiful downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard this all-new Harris 210 cruiser. First thing you'll see is this boat's painted in a lovely champagne color, has affinity woven flooring throughout, nice stainless steel components, LED running lights, our 400-pound gate capacity, so a full-grown man can put their weight on it without it popping open. So you come around to the aft, you'll see a nice large deck, stainless steel ski tow arch, 90 horsepower outboard engine. Our stainless steel wide grip ladder makes boarding a lot easier. Here we are in the desert camel colored interior of this 210 cruiser. The first thing you'll notice, it has an extremely versatile L-shaped seating group, stainless steel cup holders, tons of storage all around. If you come around to our ergonomically laid out helm with cup holders, easy access to all your switches, our upgraded helm seat that features a flip up bolster and armrest. As you come around up front, you'll notice storage underneath the console. That is a fiberglass molded console, by the way. Once again, stainless steel cup holders, lots of seating all the way around this boat, and of course a table in the bow. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned pontoon boats, or call me directly at area code 407-394-7623.